Thank you. Any other witnesses in support?
Yes, good evening, Madam Chair and members of the committee. Thank you for this opportunity to speak before you this evening. My name is Kamal Hubbard, and I represent the Blockchain Advocacy Coalition, along with Altmarket Incorporated, which is a California-based blockchain company. I first came across blockchain technology in 2013 while I was conducting research at Stanford's Rock Center for Corporate Governance, which is a joint collaboration between the Graduate School of Business and Stanford Law School. Ever since then, I became intrigued and enamored by this technology and have been studying and researching ever since. I support SB 838 and its effort to define what blockchain is and allow companies to transfer stock issuances over blockchain technology and distributed ledgers. Some of you may be asking what blockchain technology is, and I will help once again to define it. It is an electronic ledger of transactions taking place across a decentralized network where participants are able to verify transactions without the need of a centralized authority. Every transaction is secured using bank-grade security, encryption, and is assigned a reference identification number for transparency and audit purposes. Blockchain has the ability to improve numerous sectors and industries within the state and drive economic growth through the implementation of sensible regulation, such as SB 838. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have at this time, and thank you again for the opportunity to speak before you.
Great. Any other witnesses in support? Name and affiliation, please. Seeing none, any witnesses in opposition? Seeing none, I'll take it back to the committee. Any questions or comments? Assemblymember Stone.